Well, I've said we are going to be talking about a lot of big topics in logistics today. And another one is positioning. So where are my products? Where are my materials, my assets? And this is what we want to discuss now in the next presentation. So how tracking creates transparency for logistic processes and how location-aware software and solutions can help you in Industry 4.0. We will find out from an expert for this, Indutrax. They are actually a partner of Zumtobel as well. And I would like to say a very warm welcome to Peter Portner. He is the sales manager at Indutrax, and he has actually more than 25 years of experience in sales and sales management. Hello, Peter. How are you today?
Hello, Anja. Thank you very much. I am fine. Hope you too. Here it's raining, unfortunately, not snowing.
Oh, no. It's very heavy snowing here, so...
I love to be there, but hopefully next time.
Exactly. Well, have fun in your presentation.
Good. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. My name is Peter Portner. I'm in charge of sales within Indutrax, and I like to explain in a few slides about our company. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, a few words to our patient. We strongly believe that location will be a significant improvement for all manufacturing and logistics company. This is the reason why our offering combines cross-border technology, which we embedded into our software in order to give to the customer the right location information at the right time. So we as a company be focusing on mid-size company called Germany Mittelstand, as well aerospace and automotive. So our overall organization, we have more. Most of our team members have more than 15 years knowledge in the real-time location environment. So what we're doing, we are serving our customer with expertise and special consultancies in order to identify dedicated use cases, which kind of technology should be chosen, as well what is the best technology for that developed use case. We are developing in-house our own solution, which is based on a platform and on top dedicated apps or application for each use case. We are doing the implementation, but it's more or less very simple because we have an approach that everything is done by customization or configuration rather than by developing. And as well, we supporting afterwards our customer. We are supporting as well for other automotive customers 24/7 all over the globe. Let me start on that, because if you're talking about what is location means in a factory or in a logistic hall, to understand where we are. Everybody knows a GPS system. A GPS system is based on satellites which are in the orbit, and the car receives this information of the satellite. You need normally at least 3 satellites in order to have a precise a location of your car. But to be frank, such a dot in the map at the beginning would be precisely by 10 to 30 meters. So what makes it precisely in your view is the software, your navigation system itself, because they are knowing on which street you are driving. So sometimes you have seen if your data are not accurate in your navigation system, that the data will not shown in a correct way. So, and if we're talking about an indoor location system, it's similar the same. You see, you have on the top of the roof, you have also kind of satellites. So based on the technology which you're using, it could be BLE, which is standing for Bluetooth Low Energy, or UWB means it's standing for ultra wideband. The same concept, you have to have some fixed nodes in your hall, and you are taking or you're putting a transponder on the object which you like to drag. This object in this case is a forklift, but it could be also a box, it could be also a car, it could be also an order. So in this concept, if you are using straight away the technology out of these location systems, the dot will swapping around and you will have a precisely by, I don't know, 5 to 10 meters based on the technology. And our software is doing a context based on this tag. What it means that, you're describing in our software, what are you taking? It is an order, or it is an forklift. This means we could use data behind that object in order to make the location seamless for your eyes. This is the concept. So, and at the end, the difference is between that we have variable tags or variable nodes which you put on your on your object which you like to drag, and you see a huge variety on different tags based on also on the technology. Again, GPS is standing for global positioning, BLE is for Bluetooth Low Energy, UWB is standing for ultra wideband. And the same, what you have to put on the wall, you're putting some fixed nodes, which called on some areas sensors, locators, beacon, whatever you how name it. But the concept is the same. They have the side on the text, and based on the triangulation, that brings you an XY set. Okay. So, and based on that technology and underneath our software, you could use, you can serve several use cases. For example, you can do inside and hall a very precise location because you like to have a tool control system in place, or you like to have your warehouse concept in place. Outside, you like to have only an identification. So that means I have seen an object in that area. You could use also as well the GPS and so on. And our technology combines all of this into one platform and shows you afterwards this one single event which is important. So, and the concept is simple. We have an OpenStreetMap which you put underneath the tracking area. You paint on a high level the objects, the event zones, what happened if a tag is entering such a zone. We have a high level easy configuration and no code environment, and out of that you get the full real-time environment with Sankey diagrams and so on. And out of that, we have already implemented use cases, which I show you afterwards some example. For example, simple finding products and assets. So simple automatic environments, simple monitoring of industrial trucks could be, as I said, a forklift. So helping our companies or our partners shipping financial goods and so on. This is based on this technology. Already apps which are available, which our customers can use. The importance of that is these are products which we could easily implement and have already several customers which are using that. But important for our customers is the concept, because at the end, what you're doing, for example, you like to detect an object in a dedicated area. You like to detect an interaction between two objects. One could be a static object, one could be a moving object. I'll show you an example. So you like to have the historical data, the snail trail of that. And also you like to have the visualization on your map. In this example, which you're doing with our software, you're building, for example, a cube around a moving object, and you're putting a cube about a person or a handheld what the person is doing. And as soon the person will entering into this zone, an event occurs. And this event could be done several things. Again, the concept is always the same. An object is moving into an area and an event occurs. And I show you, for example, what could happen. So you could say a forklift brings a material into a product area. Could be say, oh, install the machine with the right parameters in order which kind of product is coming next. So what kind of logistic trail is needed for the next part? All about, because you're creating zone and you're creating event automatically out of the system. And this will be shown easily afterwards in a map. And you have a real-time flow, a real-time view on the factory. Out of that, we have customers, for example, which doing production logistics, which are doing the bill of materials over and using our system in order to get much more clarity into the plant. Another example, for example, this customer, he has a factory, he's producing screws, and you see here in the map, he has more than 5,000 orders which floating around. And the interesting part is, in the past, you see this small little boxes here. The customer has within these boxes, he has the order cards, he has the task card, what has to be done next, and what was the worker was doing. He was really jumping up, tried to catch the card in order to see what has to be done next. With our system, he has a simple find and search. He's giving in the order number. You see here this red little button, and he hit the button, and out of the button, he get immediately feedback on which box he has to look after, which kind or which box is the right order, the right product, the right asset, what he's looking after. So one last comment on that: this company was able to increase 15% efficiency by using only such simple search and find algorithms, as well to have the factory in a fully blend here. Okay. Yes. So again, the concept from our software is, no matter what kind of technology underneath, we like to give the right XYZ coordinates to our customers by using our system. One last word: this customer here is using BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, and I'm very proud that also Zumtobel is going in that direction in order to build in some BLE components directly into the lighthouse. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to call me. My name is Peter, as I said before, and I'm really happy to be here in this event.